Here's your IRA book for week number 9, and the book is The Gruffalo. Remember, you need to scan the QR code to listen and watch the book one more time before you start the journal prompt. If you've already listened to the story today, then we can continue. Your prompt says, why did the mouse say the Gruffalo looked different than he actually did? And then, describe what the Gruffalo actually looks like. So down here, your first sentence starts like this. The mouse said the Gruffalo looked different because... And you're going to finish that sentence by telling me why the mouse said the Gruffalo looked different in the book. Then the second sentence starts like this. The Gruffalo actually... And in this sentence, you're describing what the Gruffalo actually looked like. So if you need to go back and listen to that part and watch that part again in the book, you can. But here in this sentence, you're describing to me what the Gruffalo looked like. Don't forget the periods at the ends of your thoughts to make sentences, and also your name at the bottom.